Hey everyone, today I'm going to be swatching the new Millennial Pinx palette by Melt Cosmetics. This is just a really pretty rosy tone palette with some darker shades as well. I'm really excited for this, so if you guys want to see the swatches, just keep watching. Okay, now that you guys have seen the swatches, let's talk about them. First off, I was so happy that this didn't come broken. Some melt palettes with these shimmers tend to come broken, and Sephora decided not to add any bubble wrap to my parcels, so I was happily surprised that this didn't come broken. It came perfectly intact, as you guys saw. It does come with a mirror. Hello, messy hair. Yeah, it comes with a mirror, which is always a nice. This palette is expensive in my opinion, but it's not the most expensive. But Melt Cosmetics is like a higher end brand for sure. It swatched really well, actually. The mattes were pretty pigmented. They weren't chalky or patchy at all, and the metallics felt very soft, but not crumbly like some of theirs do. My favorite shade is that one. Which one is that? That is Pink Noise, I guess. Pink Noise is honestly stunning. It's my favorite. I'm definitely going to be using that as a highlighter as well. This is so pretty. I really like this color story, although I do agree that the dark gray and the black are sort of similar, but I can see the different tonal differences. I mainly got this palette because of the owners of the brand. I saw the looks they did and I was super excited. Hi, Effie. I'm really excited for this palette. They all swatched great. I am excited to see how these work on the eyes because I've heard mixed reviews. Some people say they're patchy. I'm hoping that they'll be good though. I do really like how this palette swatched, and I'm very excited to see how this cat, man, I'm telling you. See how they work on the eyes. I did get the lip gloss. I got, what shade is this? Johnny Rose. This was the only lip gloss that really caught my attention because of the bigger flecks in it. Super duper pretty. I do really like the gloss, actually. It's there on my hand. You guys can sort of see it. It's not clear. It has a little bit of a base. It's really pretty, though. I do like this gloss, although you can feel the glitter, so keep that in mind. She laid down on everything. Okay. But yeah, overall this palette swatched really good, and I'm very excited to try this on my eyes. Thank you guys so much for watching this swatch video. If you enjoyed it, subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram, Makeup by Tasha XO, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Of course. No. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ, Steffi. Okay. Well, there we go. Okay, hi. You almost broke my eyeshadow palette.
Really? 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 Excuse me.